Yo, the tuna sell off in a blood. Big time. What you mean, man? You want a piece of the cake there, you know? Hey, what you talk about? Dub plate? You can't get that, man. I watch jingles? You can't get that, man. Live show? You can't get the whole works, brethren. But the tuna sell off and want some of that money there. Yeah? Real talk. Can't understand them, man, you know? After me make big tune for them and them go on like them want dub plate now. Them have to afford some money, but you mean ain't them thing there, you know. Chop blows fire. Ooh, Babylon. Ooh, Babylon. Ooh, Babylon. Darling Babylon. I am trying to tell you this. Don't you go out and take that risk. Cause if you do, it's face to face with the Babylon. With the Babylon. I said, ooh, Babylon. Ooh, Babylon. Ooh, Babylon. Take that risk, cause if you do, it's face to face with the Babylon, with the Babylon. I said, ooh, Babylon, ooh, Babylon, ooh, Babylon. See what I go on for the football here. You see that? Chelsea. The early match. Yes, my brother.
You see anything?
You know what? Since we come here, we don't even.
Oh, yeah, the spirit in there with you.
Yeah. That's why I don't bother look on him.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
But you know, if me know, I'm not show you a vibe still.
Yeah, man.
Right. Like to look at Chelsea at home to Man United. Yes. Look interested in me and match them here look now, you know. And me say, wait there, with the Arsenal. The Arsenal. We have to make them beat Reading. Big things, man. I'm a son team that, you know. Arsenal. Right. Come! Mr. Winson beats Cruxham off, then comes Doctor Road, and number 7, number 7, number 9, Prince of Thieves is off the cars racing and racing next. Quick time! The bunches under the left hand and stick up the middle. We got Dr. Rowe, Mr. Winson. And behind them we got Manders. Yo! Sees them all. Come lads! Hurry up, man! Number 7 win that, you know. Bro, you should be backing who's like me. No, Prince of Thieves. Yes, come in. Yeah? Number 7. I said number 7. You said no.
Boss, give me a thing, you know, when me a promise the woman not gonna do the shopping. No. Sure, no. Anyway.
Good work on.
Far away, but who judge a bless no man curse. Thank you, I am not the worst. Who judge a bless no man curse. Read it in the Bible and every chapter and every verse. Who judge a bless no man curse.
Why the whole work in Babylon? Sure, no. That's true, I'm saying. Sure, no. But later, you can get a thing from boss if you don't give me system car. You know, the things are stuck up here now. Sure, no.
All you wrongs to your children in Babylon, but you judge a bless no man curse. Thank you. I am not the worst. Who judge a bless no man curse. Read it in the Bible in every chapter, every verse. Who judge a bless no man curse. I am not the worst. Who judge a bless no man curse.
Well, you want to see what I'm going on now? Sure, I'm tell you, Rasta. Now we just come out to the bookie. After me, you know, even before going to the bookie, a man don't want to pay me for my tune rooftop. I got a tune playing up the place. He might call me and want a dub play. I had to cuss that after I hooked the phone. We cut off the phone and start cuss the brother Bridget. You know, and we're going to the bookie, and it's like, why does this money that I had, Rasta? And you know what? I need something from the head roof. You never spliff. Can I burn a head round here? What you mean, man? Respect, man. Try rob me in my tune, Rasta. I made a big tune with this brother here, and he want a dub plate. After him not even pay me. Roof, he ain't even paid me for my tune.
Well, them things have to get sorted out before, you know?
What you mean, man? I feel like I want to put it on him, you know.
You come and take out them records the other day.
Yeah.
And that same afternoon, evening, I see a brother who was asking me for some tune.
Ah.
So I tried to call you. Your phone number may have upon you, man. I can't phone you or else, right?
Jerry tell me, man. Jerry tell me. You know what it is? No, but Jerry said the deal cut.
Yeah, but did you take money?
I will talk, mate. I will talk that, Rasta.
I'm going to try phone you. If the guy did a phone me the day before, I should have break it if he did phone me.
Too rotted, man.
Over £1,000 now, Bridget, man, looking record. Roots and culture lovers, and
you have the cash? Rotted, man.
The man ready to play out, he don't have no tune.
No, man. He would have loved the selection I've got.
I know he would have. His first thing is the rice and peas.
Rotted.
So them tune there would have fit in.
I could do it a grand. The day I took the thing, a man come the next day, boy, want a thing on. Why you never come before, man?
I phone your wife. Jesus. I phone your phone numbers. I'm the phone number.
I'm on the run, and I hate
So you want to go and sleep, and I say rather something. When Friday come in, need money in your pocket. The thing says sit down and sleep, can't put one in the pocket. If we get jacket.
I got to run like a fugitive, just to save the life I live.
Work has gone well, but you know.
John, no bossy. Boss now in 20 pounds. John, no boss. I'm tell you said right now, bossy say right now one day yard want to go shopping some food for picking them bossy.
I say, you have to come and tell you what I go on because right now I don't have no money to give you because even though the work look good and what we gonna happen now, we just give you a check when we have some money to give you. Me call you, don't even bother call me call you when we have some money to give you, right? I say to run you now. You know, it's one of them things. But everything copacetic, same way still. Me like the job still.
I got to run like a fugitive just to save the life I live. I work and slave all day, and still I get no pay, See dreams get washed away while the rich man don't care at all. So I'm on the run.
So you know what, I'm not being funny, you know, I might go to Miami for 3 weeks, come back and get my things sorted, man.
Don't worry yourself, man, because you know better days is coming.
I do,
And
man.
you bless up, so you know
Bless up, man.
things and time is
Yeah,
come,
man.
you know?
Soon come, man. You know when you say that move, things and time soon come.
Yes, sir.
And Babylon for run. When we come from the street. I mean, you're bad, you know.
Yeah, man.
Who's on this video? Who's the singer? It sounds like Freddie McKay, you know. Freddie McKay sounds like it, you know. When you see that video now, who that boss? Babylon, Babylon, yes, over there, now, over here, yes, oh yes, they're looking around the place, yes, they're looking for black man race, yes, they're looking for any action, yes, they're looking my own direction, darling. You know what I really have found, man? Yeah, I tell you, yo, I saw the man up there going on the tune, you know. Yeah, real thing. Yeah. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. I said, ooh, Babylon. Babylon. I am trying to tell you this. Don't you go out and take that Babylon. Yo, and them time, yo, Roof. And now, so you step on the mission, you know.
Yeah?
Rastafari. See? Blessed love.
See you soon, yeah, sir.
Yeah, man, you don't know, man. I'm sorry, running. See?
Alright.
Rastafari.
Elijah just want to play a place and try to start. The man will just go in. Try me.
Well, let me just find this man and see what's going on there. Come here, have the rhythm then.
Aye.
Yo, blood. Were you there?
Why pre-charge it? Yo, you know how long me I try to get to your daddy. Not call her number, stop change number, Johnny. Yeah, man, me there in a place, star. Over east, yeah, me there, man.
Alright. No, me no call, man. Come check you, you know. Come me just come in, you know, and I got some rhythm, blood. Yeah, me need to talk to you some business.
So now around the corner, yeah, me there, man. Come link me, man. Around the park, yeah, man. We you. Yeah? Alright, do that.
See? Yeah, you don't know. Yeah, money up thing, you see me? Alright, man, I go come check you. See? Forward,
Up. Elijah, like for your time I cut short, you know. I might charge you, call link me, you know, a long more, see him. Yo, hear it?
One. I'm coming.
Yeah, man.
Yes, what's happening?
Yeah, so you had to deal with it.
Why, you're nice enough, you know the thing already enough. When you got pants up there, you're alright, you know what I'm saying? The place nice, but you know, so the youth them run the place red still. This one shoot up, did you get me?
Yeah.
But you know, say, certain artists come up, man like gully back from the gully to the money and all them people there, you understand what I'm saying? So, you have to know, say, the man them still a try thing and the man them still a go through. You understand what I'm saying? So right now.
So one key producer them in the temple style.
Producer them is going on with a bag of things.
Yeah.
So what the producer them is saying is, you might go give me the rhythm, like a messenger, get the artists, put the artists on the rhythm, I go listen back the tune them, some nice reggae music, from the rhythm is nice, we got a good chance of having a good deal.
Sure.
You understand what I'm saying, sir? Yeah. And you know say, hold up there, and you know say, PRS, MCPS,
everything good.
Everything in order,
so
everybody gets their royalties, everybody get paid.
Alright, anything else?
You understand what I'm saying, sir? Yeah, I work, you know. Yeah, we're not going like no jerk.
Alright.
You see me? Right.
You see me?
Yeah, every time.
Yeah, so everything on good now. What deal with that, man? So I say, you don't know me as the artist and lock already. Right. So I say,
how long we talking now?
Alright. Just, yo, give me a little bit of time.
Yeah?
A little bit of time.
Okay. You don't say you're general, you know.
How are you, man?
Yeah, you don't say you can do anything, Charlie. You see what I'm saying?
What's set it, man? Yeah?
Okay, no problem.
Respect for your link up, yeah?
Every time.
Carrying a little one and one. You see me?
Yeah.
Rasta chanting freedom so long. Rastafari chanting peace so long. Rastafari set the people free and free them from captivity. So the ladies of us.
Yes, German.
Jaro.
Yeah, man.
Think good.
Everything blessed, man.
Yeah, man. Just stay outside and go and burn and look at one thing, you see me?
Yeah, man. See it there, see it there.
So I pray.
Yeah, I tell you. Can't take some of them producer man there, you know. Them a rip off.
Jaro.
Can't take them rip off DJ there.
Sure.
Yeah, and enough things me are intern and nothing now work. And no
Yo, watch your man.
Yeah.
I'm glad me see you. I say, man, how are yourself? Because one of my brethren when I know see for a while, I want to link him up and from the forward. You see me? And him come link me today. And right now, he must show me a big thing I go on and now for him and him brethren them right now. And right now, he have a link with two of the biggest producer right now in Europe and Jamaica. You see what I say? He's an A&R for a big record company. So he must say, right now, he give me some rhythm and I want to say, yo, these are the rhythm them I look for put a road. So if me get the right artist on it, get a good EP, I really must send it. That's what I say. Because I years we do this. So I say, it's a full time. I tell you, say, yo, you have a singing voice there. You want to drop it on the rhythm them away where. You see how the ladies them hear it?
Yeah,
sure,
man.
man.
Yeah.
So I say, so don't worry about nothing.
Yeah, man.
You see?
One of them woman tune there.
Yeah. But you see the only problem right now, the studio thing start. Because for what I'm not calm my nigga about studio, but no, nothing.
Oh, let me get
So
you.
say,
You can't get no studio for work and do my work.
yeah, one man. I just say me I go run the whole of them right now. Just buy a microphone and a little settings and set up my whole little settings and all. You see how me get ready man now?
Yeah, man.
I straight tune we can make it. You see me?
Man.
So what I know, we just burn off the little ciggy, I will go inside, go here to my room.
Oh, yeah, two can. Yeah, man, we love that, you know, Jamadu. Real talk.
Yeah, man.
Love that.
A&R them and they were easy, no man. See, big ready for Jamaica. Yo. We'll put in the work, man. You see me?
You ready for them works, though, man?
How about you, man? You them hungry, you know?
Yes, I am. I am hungry. Like a lion.
That tell you.
That's the part.
That's it, yeah? Yeah, that's really expensive. Yeah, man, come on, how forward you go see what going on? Yeah, man, come forward. Yes, sir.
Yes, we are saying about this.
Are you right there, Errol?
Yeah. It's a blessing.
Everything good, yeah?
Yes. Yes, Jaja.
Yeah, man, I tell you, we get to ready, man.
That's it. Real thing, man.
Yeah, man, I'm kind of set up a mic around this so that I set up around this and say, I'll start with that thing, you see me?
Yeah, man. We don't like hear 1, 2 of them tunes.
That we'll deal with that now, man. You see me?
Talk, man.
So you say, food I go, mommy?
Yes, nearly finished.
Oh, you mean? Keep it going. Put it here.
Alright,
I want to say, I want to ready this up.
See?
Big.
So rough.
International.
Alright. That we are dealing with, you know.
You see it?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big rhythm, you know.
Yeah, man, it's so rough, you know.
International.
Yeah. That's the one. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I see the nights where I'm like, Rasta soldiers coming from afar.
Rasta soldiers coming from afar.
Here we coming from afar.
Rasta soldiers.
Press record it for me.
Yes, I am. You ready?
So long been feeling the pressure, but still we're trying. See them on the inside looking now, while the children are fighting. No one cares to tell them stop. Now they're dying. I tell them seek it first. Only Rastafari can make it work.
Onward Rasta soldiers coming from afar.
Here we coming from afar.
Onward Rasta soldiers, we no want no tribal war. Onward Rasta soldiers coming from afar.
Here we coming from afar.
Onward Rasta soldiers, we no want no tribal war.
Clean up your rotten.
Yeah, man. Now go on. You know, so them all love them thing here, you know. I'm going to tell you already. That's what I say. Yeah, man, that's how we work. So I'm going to start doing it myself because,
Yes, I am.
John was style. It make no sense when I run down people things right now and if them can't do nothing for better way, you see me?
We have the studio, you know.
Yeah.
And we can just spice the tune them and just send it off.
You see me? Who want a woman? So me say, me need a woman to sing a song.
Yeah.
Who want a woman?
Alright.
Yes, sir.
I
Yeah, the rhythm I sing, you know, hear it.
I need a woman tonight. I need a woman just to... That kind of
I
vibe.
need some kiss from the woman tonight, and everything is gonna be alright. Be alright.
Be alright.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Just dance it out. Whoa, whoa, oh, yeah, whoa. I need a woman tonight. I need a woman just to hold me tight. I need a kiss from that woman tonight.
Alright, so the level is sound good. The level is sound good. So we say ready for going night now.
Yes,
Yeah, man.
I am.
Ready for it?
Yes, I am.
Alright, we're going night now. You see me?
Whoa, whoa, ooh, yeah, yeah. I need a woman tonight. I need a woman just to hold me tight. I need a kiss from that woman tonight, where everything is gonna be alright. Be alright, be alright. I beg you just so I could lie, I could lie, I could lie. Here's the bitter love tonight.
She know to wash, cook and clean. Same way me know if do it. So the two of us together we a keep the house clean. Forward we going and you know we have to read. Cause of righteousness to the children she a teach. Me love me black woman cause you know she don't bleach. When she touch out the street everything unique, yeah. She's gonna hold me tight straight until morning light. Yeah.
Yeah, so good, man. Alright, but
You know what, yeah? Look at that. Bills upon bills upon bills upon bills. What gonna do? You need a job, I need a job. All you talk about is music, music, music. And I can't see nothing. All these things I gotta take care of. How the kids need new school shoes, all these things. What's gonna happen? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? You're doing music, which now appear. I need a job, you need a real job. What's gonna happen? What are we gonna do? Kids need clothing, school, uniform and all these things. What's gonna happen?
You take care of them, man. The thing you take care of.
When are you gonna take care of it?
Just have faith, man. Just have
When
faith.
are you gonna take care
Just
of
have
it?
faith with this, man.
So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I'm
Yeah.
stressed out, man.
Everything alright. Just have faith. Don't deal with it, yeah? Don't deal with it.
When it seems like you can't go on, and no one seems to hear when you call, standing with their back against the wall, setting traps for you to fall. I just call and my God always serve
You
me.
need a job, I need a job. I get part one to music,
For a
music,
better day.
and I can't see the one to take care of. And the kids need this, all these things.
Bless me, Jah, that I may prevail in what I do. Jah, all these troubles, all these bills, these stress, my Babylon system, take away it all, Jah. Bless me, Jah. Have mercy upon I, Jah. Guide I and I path and bless I and I may tread the road and conquer all evil. Jah, Rastafari, thanks for life.
And I know they have to shed blood for you and I people. And I just here to burn out all evil. Clean up your hearts and come. Yeah, don't bring no gun cause the Armageddon war ain't blood and you can bring your Bible come.
What's going on here? Yeah, them lock up my place, you know. I tell you, man, them lock up my building, man. The place will rest my head. Yo, what? You kicked me out? No, I can't believe this. So where me I gonna go? Where I'm gonna go? No. Man. You need to call Jamadi, man. Let's see where I'm going.
Aye. What go on, Gideon?
Yeah, like, Rastafari. Jamadu. Boy, me in a biggest problem, you know. Me look at yard there, it lock up Virgin because of the bills and that. And I phone up my wife and she's got my bags packed. My bags are packed, Joe.
So you have something for go?
Yeah. What me I go do? Me I go check my sister. I go and check her and tell her the vibes too. Because I was with my sister. Really not happy about this, man. And I know if I stay in a Rasta, I don't know what to do. But I'm gonna go and check my sister first. And then after that, I come link up the eye. Seen Rasta?
No, man, just have faith, man. What you mean? I know good things happen for you, man. Rastafari, yeah? Safe travel and shout me when I reach, yeah? Rastafari.
Selassie, aye.
He was a Rasta man on the mainland. Took out of Africa and brought to the Caribbean. Sold to the Americans. He became a buffalo soldier, fighting for survival on the front line. Yeah.
I have a dream. One day, this
man, what the man will I last year, Jah? Rastafari. Yeah man, we have to present ourselves in the way we want you to see. So I just life and more love. Me don't preach badness and me don't preach slackness, so me can't tell you nothing else but love. You see me I say? And more time if you understand me, a country me born and grow in Jamaica. Here from the west side, 3 miles up in the hill. Every day, 5 days a week, I walk to school, up the hill and down the hill. To school. You see me I say? Every Sunday morning, we have to get church shoes of the well shine and all this.
Daddy, give me chocolate bread. Daddy, give me chocolate bread.
Relax, Mom.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yo. What go on, E.T.?
You know, say,
You get all them things to go.
listen, I want to link you up, you know, because
So what? I lie. Sang them #1. Pack bag. Passport.
yeah,
I lie. Sang them gone #1. 10 country. How are you say?
my father come check it, yeah? Alright, bro.
Alright, me call the artist now. Yeah. Ja. Rastafari. Song then gone #1. Well, I want a dream. No, man, well, my phone did this one. Me asleep. Yeah. Me asleep. I hear my phone and I jump up. I look so. Find the phone. E.T. on site. E.T. tell me say, pack bag, get passport ready. A tour time. Sang them gone #1 at 10 country. Rastafari, ain't not a dream. Yeah. Rastafari.
One kiss to tell them stop. Now they're dying. I tell them seek it first. Only Rastafari can make it work.
Onward Rasta soldiers coming from afar.
No be in, man. Yes, you ready? You say, have your passport ready?
Yes, man. What you mean, man?
What you mean? A tour time, you know?
Me legal, you know?
Yeah?
Me have whole type passport.
What you mean?
When me find it.
Alright, no
See
sir.
there? Real king.
Rasta soldiers, we love and don't drive and war.
Rasta soldiers.
Nothing to 50 love, we don't want no 60, 60 love, we don't want no 70,
can just say I feel like you can feel the love tonight. Every now, how someone are going and they don't want to help the woman them in the house. Any music that you love, our music is music, our music is joy. When you're feeling down, music lifts you high. When you get that broken heart, music's feeling for you. Music takes you to that destination. So whenever you say music, just love, fill up your heart and come. Yeah, don't bring her money, I'm not worry. And so you can read the Bible, yeah. Taking up from money for your place, fill up the fill up the heart and come. Yeah, don't bring her money, I'm not worry. And so you can read the Bible, yeah. Don't bring her money, I'm not worry. Onward, Rasta soldiers coming from afar. Onward, Rasta soldiers with a bottle driver bar. Onward, Rasta soldiers coming from afar. Onward, Rasta soldiers with a bottle driver bar. So long been feeling the pressure, but still I'm trying. See them on the inside looking out while the children are fighting. No one cares to tell them stuff. Now they're dying. I tell them see me first. Holy Rastafari from everywhere, yeah. Yeah, we coming from a far Rasta soldiers with a bottle driver. So we know Rasta soldiers coming from again, I made your mother. Give that slave, I like, love, I holy man, when I start here, I jump on the rope and yeah, don't be no good, money, I'm a million worry. Because now you can bring a man to come. Yeah, don't be no good, money, I'm a million worry. Because you don't be lost and come. Yeah, don't be no good, money, I'm a million worry. Because now you can bring a man to come. Yeah, don't be no good, money, I'm a million worry. Yeah man, I Jamago. As I say, self-reliance is the way. So I say self-determination. You have to determine for yourself and determine within yourself to do anything where you want to do. Sky has no limit. So just do what you know you can do, and anything where you do, just try to do better each step. Just like myself, everything I do, I just try to do better. In music, videoing, whatever it is I'm doing, I just always try to do better. So I'm saying, so to you who just watch this, give thanks for watching it. We know it could have been better, but at the end of the day you have to look on it. We never have none in the beginning. You see what I say? So you have to just big up on yourself, same way, and keep the support going. I Jamago there for the government empire. And guess what? Every damn Bella. Finishing touch. Finishing touch of the movie, little movie what we make kind of title. Rasta Soldiers. See it? So respect for support. Share it. Yeah man. And remember, support with music them all over. Yeah? Jamago said that. Oh. Rastafari. Oh.